Part 4: Freshwater Resources and Climate Change in Australia. Freshwater resources are being impacted by climate change in a variety of ways across the globe. For example, Australia's Murray-Darling Basin, an area responsible for providing natural resources for approximately 1/3 of the country's food supply, has seen significant precipitation decreases and temperature increases in relatively recent years. This region is particularly vulnerable because of the overconsumption and mismanagement of freshwater use from the basin for crop and animal sustainment. In addition to the overconsumption, marked decline in rainfall further depleted this freshwater resource. Finally, the large expanse of land that the basin covers is significant compared to the amount of drainage supply sources coming into the rivers. Thus, drought became common for parts of the large basin. The impending threat of soil evaporation and poor quality of limited freshwater supply and its impacts on crops, ecosystems, and animal livelihood became a priority for the Australian government to ensure food security and sustainability, not only for surrounding communities, but for the entire country. To prevent further reduction of freshwater supplies in the Murray-Darling Basin, the Australian government put into law the funds to improve water irrigation to the basin and to limit the amount of water consumption from the Murray-Darling Basin. By limiting the intake of freshwater resources in this region, the government is one of the first to implement an ecological trading market for water supply, thus ensuring those that need more may obtain more with precautions.